welcome back everyone. So today we are talking about cleaning your wheels. There's a lot of products out in the market, I know that, and I've also indulged in getting quite a bit. Now that doesn't stop any one of you guys from buying these type of products, but I figured I'd just share something which I think has been flying a little bit under the radar, which I think will definitely help you guys, especially when you are just doing a normal maintenance clean, or should you be performing some type of deep clean on your rims. You want to put some type of coating or even like a strong sealant to really protect the rims, and that is the wheel and tire cleaning mitt. Let me take it out of the packet here. So I've just put it in here just to keep it clean. So that there is the product. I've got one in here as well in my pocket. Now what makes this product very nice, guys, there's quite a few reasons, is that it's got two sides. So the side over here, the long hair bristles, this is going to be your normal contact. You're going to put your hand in here. So let me use my one. So yeah, so there is mine. Nice thing is it's a mitt, so that means you wear it as a glove. So that there is the mating face. It's got nice long bristles of microfiber. As microfiber, it's meant to pick up dirt. It's meant to remain static so that it can get dirt, any debris or anything like that. So that's going to pick up all the loose, brake dust and grime and tar and anything, that's on the rim or even on the tire as well. Because it's a mitt, you can actually contour the actual, mitt around. If you're able to get in by any grooves like that, like this, you can put your hand in there. It's just quite, flexible. Then you have this other side at the back here, which is a microfiber mesh. Now this is meant for more stubborn dirt. So let's say there's a little bit of tar and it hasn't hardened yet, but you're struggling to remove it with, with the front. You can actually just turn it around, and again, you can use your fingers just to contour where you want to focus on the rim. So it is microfiber. It does have this mesh feel and setup, so it's not really going to scratch the surface, but it's a little bit more aggressive than the fibers already. So very nice product. The fact that you've got both of these features, front and back, to really deep clean your rims. Now the beauty thing about this product is that you can use it with every single maintenance wash or when you deep clean. So I mean, I've got a long wheel brush over here. I've got my tire brush. I've got detail brush, for like intricate places, the lug nuts, here where the actual valve is. So that's my daughter. What's up, Zozo? So yeah, very nice product. Definitely recommend that you guys consider buying this. It's just one of those things that's going to add to your detailing arsenal, making sure that you can actually get the best result whenever you clean up your rims. So I'm just going to show you guys how I use it on my Captiva. It really isn't that dirty. I washed the car, I think it was on Monday, so it's been 5-6 days. There's a little bit of dirt on here, so just want to show you guys how this product works. Definitely recommend it. If you haven't done so, guys, please consider clicking the subscribe button, hit that notification bell, that way you won't miss any of my future uploads. So there you go, guys. As you can see, this product really works quite nicely. Definitely something I would recommend that you keep in your detailing arsenal. Whether you want to, as mentioned before, whether you want to use this as a maintenance clean, or you know, just when you want to do like a very deep cleanse on your rims. Definitely recommended. Very nice product to have, and it actually will last you quite long. I've had mine now for over 2 years, and you know, you'll start seeing maybe the fibers start breaking off at the edges, but I mean, there's still enough on here to last me, I think, another year or two. So definitely a worthwhile investment. You guys can go check down in the description box below where you can buy this, not only from MD Workshop, but there are also other retailers available. I'll put links down in the product description below for you guys to go check it out. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Most importantly, to you and your loved ones, please stay safe out there.